this opportunity to apologise about the shit GoPro focus.
So now I've got my ape hangers fitted. My clutch cable is too short. I've gone out and bought a Ven Hill kit to extend it. Well, not extend it, to actually make a new cable. So we've got the outer and inner cables there. We've got all the ferrules. Also, the standard Suzuki cable has got this piece on the end, which is a connector. Rather than chop all of that off, I want to keep that cable as standing in case I want to revert it. So I've made a piece to go on the clutch armature. So what we'll do, we'll get it fitted, chopped to size, and we'll go from there. So we've got the outer sheath cut to size in roughly where I want it. Now I put this end in, you get a couple of these little plastic clips to make the ferrule bigger on that end. So we'll get that put in there. How will that go in? That way, let's try it that way. Put that in through there, that way. Yeah, so it won't fall off. Now we've got it all fed in, everything's loosely fitted. We need to know roughly where we need to cut that off. So I'm going to go about there. So I've got everything fitted and taped back out of the way. All my little rubber covers and adjusters and clips and brackets, etc. So we just need to chop it off now. My mark is there. I'm going to come in a little bit longer because I can. That wasn't the best cut, to be honest with you. You see, it's fucking splayed a bit, bastard thing. Take a bit of time and I'll rework that back in. All I've done is just twisted them back round so they're all sitting nicely. Next job, pop the ferrule on and then we splay the ends out. Loads of ways to splay the ends on these. What I do, a couple of mils sticking out the vise, get a centre punch, line it up, give it a smack. There you go, all splayed. Or you could just tap it with a hammer, doesn't really matter. As long as you splay it out but not too much, all is good. Degrease the end with a bit of methanol. Make sure you've got no hot naked flames around here because these stuff tends to react quite violently to fire. I'll let that dry out. Quick dip in the flux. See, it's just drawn it up through the top with the ferrule there. That'll do. Pull it out and let it cool down.
A few moments later.
So, it's had a couple of minutes to cool down. Let's dress everything back with a file. Those sharp bits on there. It's alright. Knock off any excess so it will fit in that little clip thing I made. So a bit of fettling, it's all seated in there, lovely. Let's get it back on the bike. So all fitted in place, adjusted, tied in, seems to be working. I'll know definite once I get it started up. I can do my final adjustments on the clutch, but yeah, happy with that. Thanks for watching.